Thank you for viewing this video. Today we're going to show you how to use Mapper by Design R1. We are in the current the demo database. I've already done my lookup. Go ahead and start this by geocoding our records. And since I'm using contact records, I'll go ahead and select that in the drop down. Primary address. That's the main address that you're seeing in the background there. And then we're doing this on the current lookup since we don't want to geocode our entire database. See the progress bar, numbers go by, and we've got latitude and longitude coordinates there as well in the fields. From here, what we can do with this information is we can do a Geo Lookup based on the selected record. We can do, Geo Lookup within 15 miles on the primary address. It does, looks up on the latitude and longitude coordinates. Hit OK, and it looks it up. And that's all it does. It just does a lookup in Act, doesn't map or anything. And then what else we can do is we can do a map lookup, which will bring up the map options. And the only reason to use this one is if you want to do a route, build a route. Google does a pretty good job at giving you the fastest time route. Unfortunately, you can't change the points it sets for you. It just does it on what it guesses its fastest time. And the start address is always defaulted to the main address of the user you are logged in as. So I will go ahead and throw somebody into our start address that does exist in the database and is in this lookup actually. Go ahead and hit OK. It opens up Chrome. That's what I have set as my default browser. And here we go. You can see your Google directions on the map view. Going back into Act. Go ahead and cancel out of that. Well, the last thing we can do is just do a quick map of those same contacts. Let me make sure I did double click it. And it drops all of the contacts onto the map. From here on the map, you can select one of these, click on it, and it brings up just a listing of your Act information on their stuff. You can shoot an email out from here. You can click on that, and it does take you into Act. That is Mapper How To. Thank you for viewing.